Hello, BookTube, it's Amy. I thought I would film an unboxing of my Murchie's tea haul here. I purchased some things for myself and some things as Christmas gifts, so I've got quite the big box here. The first one on top, this one's for me. This is a rose konju. It's a black tea. Which I think is one of their new ones. A loose leaf. I've got 2 ounces, 56 grams here, so that'll be good to try. And then I've got black raspberry, which I can't remember whether I purchased this one for me or purchased this as a gift. There's some things in here where I think, I'm going to look through, see what I remember was supposed to be a gift and what's left over, and see how the numbers add up. This one I know is definitely a gift, although it does sound good. Turmeric elixir herbal tea with cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, clove buds, black pepper, and turmeric. Nice herbal tea there. That one is a gift. Got another loose leaf one here. Singbly flowery black tea. This is another one that's meant to be a Christmas gift for someone. Fresh pluck for 2025, strongly aromatic with fresh florals and light fruit. Elderflower and peony, snow pea, and white grape. So that'll be good. There's a couple boxes of the tea filters here to go with some of the teas that I know are gifts. I think the people I'm buying for have tea strainers or tea baskets or tea balls, but I don't want to take the risk that they're not going to be able to drink it. So each of them is getting a box of the 100 tea filters that they can use and dispose of with organic waste. These can go into our green bins here in Ontario anyway for composting and bio, can't remember what they call it. They do something where they use the compost, the green bin stuff for the generation of electricity, but this is another gift here, the lemon ginger herbal tea. 56 grams of that. Soothing, feel better to sane with refreshing lemon, ginger, and mint. That's a good one. And this, I think this is a mug I had purchased maybe. The mug is, I think the mug's for me. Depends on what it looks like. I know I was looking at a couple of different ones and all this rustling paper. How do you like that? ASMR as they call it. But I think this mug is for me. I was looking at a couple of different mugs and there was one that I thought might be a gift and there was another that I thought I would like for myself. And I think I ended up purchasing the one that I thought I would like for myself. Or no, this isn't a mug at all. It's been a couple of weeks since I placed this order because we did have a Canada Post strike and whatnot, and so this did take a while to come. But no, this is a jar of jam, which is also a gift. This is cranberry port preserve, so that will be a gift for someone. The Murchie's brand of preserves. I can reuse that tissue paper. Then there's some lavender cream black tea. Balanced lavender black tea with creamy vanilla. That's always a good one. Then there is a box of the black tea, the tea bags. That's a gift as well. And what's here? Oh yeah, there we go. This is for me. This is a bag of Mulling spices. I'm going to use this when I host my Christmas tea in December. It says to gently simmer 2 tablespoons of Mulling spices in 4 cups of liquid for 15 to 30 minutes. We recommend black tea, apple cider, red wine, cranberry, or pomegranate juice, and I'll probably do this in apple cider for some lovely mulled cider. And then this is a gift. I won't open it up because it's sealed. But this is their sweater weather collection. It's 4 loose teas, vanilla spice, chamomile, apple, Earl's Gold and London Afternoon. So I've got a good start on my Christmas shopping here. And a nice box I can probably reuse as well. I might even end up shipping some gifts in this one. But there we go, a nice tea haul. And now that I've emptied out everything onto the couch, I'll probably just put it back into the box. But some nice, delicious teas for the cold weather here.